My name's Ian Gosling. I'm at Our Lady's Roman Catholic High School in Blakely, North Manchester. Here at Our Lady's, we're a growing school, and one of the challenges that we had was to look for extra dining room space for our students, and one opportunity for us was to explore the outdoor space. Communication with A&S was brilliant from day one. Having dealt with them years ago, I had no hesitation in picking up the phone to their offices, and within half an hour they were back to us, and project was penciled in, dates penciled in the diary, everything delivered on time, did what they said on the tin, as the saying goes, and from start to finish the project just worked a dream, and they fitted around the school's requirements. As we'd done our best value considerations, I had no hesitation going back to A&S because I knew I was going to get value for money, and that's proven to be the case. We were offered different types of roofing, different stanchions, different colours, and what was important was the actual location to make sure that it matched the needs of the children. The whole project from start to finish, from the moment I got the authorisation from the school governors through to completion, was seamless. When they worked on the actual location, they took into consideration things like the location of the drains, the sunlight, the drainage, all the practical things that made the end product just what we wanted it to be. In the course of the actual construction, this was done out of school hours, but within a very tight summer holiday period, and the timeline that they said they kept to. We found the materials to be very reliable and durable. One of the reasons we went back to A&S Landscapes was because the canopy they built 7 or 8 years ago has stood the test of time, and we have no hesitation in thinking that the new construction will do exactly the same. I'd heartily recommend A&S Landscapes to any other school or any other potential customer. We have done so, we've recommended it to other schools, and I'd very gladly work with them again.